Hey, Yodi. Snake gang. Don't. What's up, Nimbus? What's happening, gang? Gang. Free 100 YouTube. What's up, man? What you got for me? What you got for me that's free? 100 viewers? 100 subscribers? What is it, man? What is it, brother? Just let me know. Yeah, it's been good, bro. This is today's trade. That was sent out in the new trade copier Discord channel. So whenever I enter a trade on my MT5, it gets posted into here. So I figured all this shit out today, man. So yeah, today was a good day. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but it just a lot of effort, you know. And yeah. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool, yeah. Gold looks like it's going to continue bullish here, man. See? People saying, you know, it's got to come down at some point. It's got to come down at some point. It doesn't. It doesn't have to come down at any point. In reality, this is not a very big move at all. This is quite a small move, really. Like, yeah, it's going up, and there's barely any retracement. But in terms of like a huge move, it's not that big of a move, I don't think. And gold now closure above on the 1 hour time frame, potential closure above on the 4 hour time frame in 30 minutes. It's just going to continue bullish, man. Nice, she got into a gold by 2. I was in from I can't see that shit because of I was in from 57 and out at 60. I believe so too. I was in from 57. 57. Oh, nice, man. So out here, out at 60. Nice. Yeah, I mean, there's no point to be trying to short gold right now. Yeah, like it's blatantly on every single time frame you look at. Monthly, look at the monthly. Weekly, very bullish. Daily, extremely bullish. You know, 4 hour, 1 hour, any time frame you look at, gold is bullish. There's literally no need to be shorting gold right now until it does, you know, something like this, makes a massive pullback, you know, tries to come back up, fails, and then starts coming down and breaking like that, right? That's when you know that the trend is going to change. At least short term, right? But until then, there's no information for me to be shorting gold right now. Like, there's just no point. Just keep buying it. Just keep looking for buying opportunities. I think so. I think so, Sharon. Maybe. I know there is programs, Discord to MT5 copier. How to set up Discord to MC? I definitely think there's programs out there where Discord to MetaTrader, yeah. So yeah, you definitely can. You definitely can, Sharon. You can definitely copy them, but you'd have to figure out how to do that. You'd have to get the program to connect it. Because it just posts like this, right? This was today. This was the trade I took today on gold. So it posts like this. So 5 lot. So gold, buy, 5 lot. Take profit 216632. Stop loss 216432. And then boom, close all, take profit, hit. I always got to play on mentality. If people think it's a sell, I'm definitely looking to buy. Yeah, exactly. You just like cracked the code. That's like cracking the matrix right there, Nimbus. You've cracked the matrix, bro. Don't tell anybody though. We're playing basketball. You're playing chess, they're playing checkers, Nimbus. You know what I mean? It's different. Yo, 300 YouTube. What was this comment, man? You know what I'm saying? Like, who are you, brother? Just come in here, say hello, then dip. I want to see what GJ's doing, actually. GJ. So I posted about GJ sales today below this level, but I mean, it's just crashed, man. But again, I called it. I called it, bro. I called the sales right here in the Discord channel. Pre-London GJ trade idea. Waiting for 1 hour closure below 189.296 for sales. 20 pip range into previous weekly low at 189.045. Simple. I knew this was going to happen, but it just doesn't look like it's going to give us an entry. I mean, we've got daily lows down here that it can drive into. It's still like a bit more of a range. If we close below here on the 4 hour in 30 minutes, then we'll have to wait for the 4 hour to make like a top wick, and then we can look to sell after that potentially. But NFP tonight, man, I'm not looking to get into any trades now. I've took my trade. I took my trade above this level, and yeah, I'm not looking to risk anything else. I'm not looking to risk anything else. The closer we get to NFP, it's just not worth it. It ain't worth it, fam. You get me? NFP. Unemployment. Nah, I don't trade. I'll trade before NFP. Potentially I will trade after it as well, but not really. Like, because I've already took a trade now, I've already made profit today, so there's no need for me to risk money, you know. There's no need for me to risk giving that money back. So not today, but in general, if I hadn't had a trade today and I saw a good setup after NFP, then maybe. It would have to be a really good setup though. But I'm not scared of NFP. Do I look like a bitch? I ain't no bitch. Nah. Nah, yeah, I fucking alpha these markets, bro. NFP is beta. I'm alpha. Inflation and interest rates though, yeah, hell yeah, I'm scared of that shit. I don't fuck with that shit. NFP, unemployment, that's like a street fight, you know? Like, I fancy my odds, like I'm confident. But inflation and interest rates, recently, the last 2 years, that's like getting in the ring with a UFC fighter or like a boxer. You just know you're going to get fucked. You just know. That's a good analogy, you know, because there is some traders out there as well who would see interest rates and inflation rates, and they go, yeah, man, I can trade this shit. Like, I'm confident. This looks like a good setup. I don't care about news. I can trade news. And then they get slaughtered. And it's the same with some people out there, right? Some people would probably go, yeah, I'll get into a ring with a UFC fighter. I reckon I could hold myself, blah, blah, blah. And then they just get smashed to pieces. What's up, man? What's up, Joseph? Doesn't look like that trade's coming back down, bro. Are you still in it? Are you still in the sell? Or did you have a stop loss? Still there? Shit, man. Is this a real account, Joseph? Like, is this real money that you have on this trade? Well, the lowest point has already been made, probably. Down here. This is the daily low. Mate, if you look at the daily time frame, it looks beautiful for boys. Like, it's made a bottom wick. Beautiful. Now it's broke the previous daily high, and it looks like it wants to continue. We'll have to wait and see, though. We've got a 4-hour closure in 24 minutes. So if the 4-hour closes above this level, there's, you know, a bit of a chance it can come down and retrace, make a 4-hour bottom wick before potentially continuing bullish. But I've already took my buys here today. Already made some money. What's that? $753.60. Not bad. I need to add that. I need to add it in. I need to add it into the trades, man. Trades, man. GJ looking like it's. This is a huge move. Like, this is probably the move already on GJ. This is 76 pips. 76 pips. So this move on GJ has probably already happened. Did I hear right? Joseph? Yeah, Joseph. Oh shit, that shit's dropping. GJ with the volume. Let's go. Joseph is in a sell. From here, I think 2131 or 2130. He made 5%, so he got the initial direction correct. He made 5% on some buys, and then he wanted to enter sells. And yeah, price is pushing. Wait, what's this? Why did I do that? I'm not thinking. I'm not thinking, man. When was this taken? This was taken right at London Open, so 7 p.m. So that was London session, gold, buy, breakout, previous high or low, daily, full risk, 10 pips, 753, 60. Nice, man. We're at 32k. Let's go. I mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, if you've got a plan, Joseph, you know, just stick to it. That's all I can say, man. It happens to everyone. Nimbus, Joseph's he's new to trading, so he's been trading a month. And so he's just getting to grips with things. Joseph, what strategy do you use? I don't think I asked you this. What strategy are you using right now for trading? And where did you learn it from? Yeah, there's no point trying to enter this trade on GJ. 92 pip move on GJ. Can you believe it? GJ. But this is the move, man. This is what I was anticipating based off of daily 4 hour, like I showed you guys in the academy. Daily 4 hour combo. Support broken. Price below the daily open. So you can see this blue line. This is daily open. You can see the rejection, right? Price opens up straight away, turns bearish, drives down, comes back up for a retest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spikes, and gone. See you later. Simple. Trying to get used to breakout trading. Okay, well, that's that's exactly how I trade. I'm a breakout trader. Where did you learn that from? I feel like calling you Joseph is like very formal, like I'm your mom or something. Like, Joseph. What if I just call you Joe? What do people call you for short? Yeah, Joe. All right. Bad for my man, so. Funny enough, Joe is my name too. I prefer Nimbus online. Oh, really? No way, Nimbus. Your name's Joe as well. That's hilarious. Any sell setup in gold? Not looking at sales, man. Why do people want to sell gold so bad? Joseph is like, I'm bad in school. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, when I'm calling you Joseph, I just feel like, you know what I mean? Like I'm your teacher or something. You're in trouble. T, no sells on gold, man. Only looking for buys on gold right now. until we see some drastic like change in gold. Like this is like, you know, like these levels here or something. You only really want to take sales, and I said this I was speaking about this with Nimbus earlier. You only want to take sales if you see a move like this down, like a big move down, a retracement, right? That doesn't come up and break the highs. So it makes it a retracement, makes a lower high in here, right? Lower high. And then starts coming down, breaks these lows, right? Then, only then, you really want to be looking for sales, right? Structure-wise. I would say. Bad fundamental. See, I had buys on gold today. As you can see below me down here. That was also shared in the Discord. Well, posted in the Discord right here. I've just been catching 10 pips galore recently, man. Look at this. Minus 10 pips, plus 10 pips, plus 10 pips, plus 15 pips, plus 10 pips, plus 10 pips, minus 10 pips, plus 10 pips, plus 10 pips. What's the biggest trade I had on this? I think it was like 50, yeah, 50 right here, 51 pips. And the biggest loss, I think, was this one, 37 pips. Yeah, 37 pips. Account gain percentage from January the 1st, 2024, 138% gain with only a 61% win rate. See, this is why you don't need a 80% win rate. Like above 50% win rate is all you need if you have good risk management, trade management. Secured a total of 271 pips. Very nice. You see March so far, we've had 7 trades with an 86% win rate. I need to delete this break even. I was going to track the break even trades, but then I just thought, what's the point? I mean, I suppose I could, but... Sheesh. GJ is just going for it. 95 pips. 95 pip 1 hour candle on GJ with no news. You've been eating pips, yeah. On track. I mean, I don't really have a goal percentage wise each month or each week or each quarter or anything. I just trade and just see what happens. But I mean, yeah, so far this month. Let's have a look. I wish I could figure out a way to just... See, this is where I need to filter. Create a filter. Insert chart. Yeah, fuck, I don't know. Like this says March, 86% win rate, but it doesn't say... Wait. Yeah, it doesn't say... I can't choose like to see the amount of profit for the month, you know, which I wish I could. Wait, why can't I? So if I highlight, where's this? 1st of March right here. So if I highlight this one, 1st of March, boom, and then go boom, boom. Oh no, that's just adding all of them up together. Okay, yeah, this one, right? 1st of March, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so there we go. If you can see down the bottom, so for March so far, a total profit of $4,172. And a percentage gain of 14%. So 14% profit so far for March and just over 4K profit, I think. What was that? Yeah, 4,172. That is a cool feature. I didn't realize that was there. Not bad. Holy. GJ is just going nuts right now. Look at this 110 pip move. I mean, I got the analysis correct. At least. It's coming down to this previous daily low in here. It could reject from here. But like, it's supposed to be NFP. Figured I need a benchmark to know how much I need to make month in percent. I mean, it's only 8 days into the month, Nimbus, so you know a lot can happen in that time. But how about we take a look at February, right? So if we go Feb and we go across right here, Feb, I think it's this one, right? So let's do percentage. Where does Feb end? Okay, so that's the end of Feb, yeah. Yeah, that's the end of Feb, so 58%. So that's a lot. That's a lot different to the 14% on so far for March, of course. But this is a high risk account. This is a 10K account that I just started just slapping 5 lots on straight away. So I was over risking. As you can see from up here at first, like some of these you know, percents, this was obviously a big win, but you know, like -5%, -8%, -17%, right? This is a high risk account. If I was just doing a standard risking 1% per trade, obviously it's going to look a lot different. But I just opened this account and I just was doing 5 lots, 5 lots, 5 lots, 5 lots, 5 lots to see where I could get it to. When in reality, within standard risk and standard lot size, it would probably be like a 1 lot or a 0.5. But where this account is right now, I could easily just start using 10 lots, 20 lots on this account. And it would match that risk. But like I've grew this account enough now. I'm just going to continue using 5 lots for probably the next few months and just see where it goes, just to keep that like consistency. Where'd the music go? Did it finish? No. What happened? What happened, brother? Yeah. I'm comfortable with 5 lots, you know. Making 700, you know, and you can see from some of these trades here, like making over 1,000, 1,200. Here I lost 1,300. Here I made 2,300. You know, all just using a 5 lot size. That's it. That's why you can see all of these that are 10 pips, right? 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips, 10 pips. They're all around the $760, $770 mark. Yeah, well, the thing is, I live in Australia, and the laws on tax here for this is crazy. Like, so I barely touch this. Like, I'll take a little bit out, but I barely touch it because as soon as I touch it, I'm getting taxed heavy. So, you know, I'm just figuring out what I'm going to do with it. Ways I can access the money without getting like taxed heavy on it. But I'm not going to say too much about that. Just in case. You never know who's watching. Yeah, pretty much. Crazy. Australia's crazy for this. So just leave it there, keep it growing. And, you know, we'll see. I'm really interested in doing a funded account though. That would be the Canadian tax for traders, yeah. Because here in Australia, like everything's connected to your bank. I'm not sure what it's like in other countries, but for example, with my crypto portfolio that I had in the past, they knew exactly how much crypto I had in my crypto portfolio because it's all connected to the bank. So when tax time comes around, they are sending messages going, okay, you've got this much crypto in your crypto account, you've made this much profit, and you need to pay this much tax on it. Like, there's no hiding any of your assets here in Australia. I'm not sure what it's like in other countries, but they knew exactly how much I had. And even though I didn't take the profit out, like it wasn't in my bank, it wasn't realized, like it was just, it made profit in my crypto account, and I still had to pay tax on it. Like, I didn't even take the money out, so I paid tax on it to sit there in my crypto account, and then I have to pay tax on it again if I wanted to take it out. It's the same where I'm at. You can't scale. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy to pay tax. You know, I'm completely happy. I don't care about paying tax. It's part of it's part of living in this modern day society. You know, in the Western world and wherever. But there's just, of course, you have to try and do what you've got to do, you know, in order to get the best result possible. I'm just going to listen to this message real quick. Sorry guys, just had to reply to that message. Just for that reason you live on trading, you are able to pay taxes. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like everyone has to pay taxes, you know. Everyone has to do it. I'm no different. That's why it's good to have the education side of it as well, and you know, the signals and stuff. Like the tax on that isn't as bad. It's just the capital gains tax on like investments and assets. That's a different kind of tax, and it's a killer. All right, 12-hour closure, 4-hour closure. So DJ is 100% definitely closed below 189.296. I'm not going to take any trade here because the move has already happened, right? Look at this move right here. This is a 90 pip move, so there's no need to take any trades there. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that and delete that. But yeah, good analysis, man. You know, good analysis. That's all that matters. And I think GJ is done for the week. Closure, GJ has again closed below previous weekly lows on the 4-hour and the 12-hour. That's massive. 12-hour closure below as well. That's massive. So, I mean, it could drive down. I'm not interested right now. I'm not interested in GJ right now. But yeah, W analysis. The direction, the analysis was 100% correct. And look at that. I even called it as price was driving heavily bullish. Look at that. Price is bullish, pushing up. I'm like, now I'm looking for sales. So yeah, I'm, you know, happy with the analysis, happy that I got the direction and everything correct, but yeah. It is what it is, bro. Gold, again, beautiful. So gold came up and broke those previous highs. Very nice. By 24 pips. 4-hour closure above. 12-hour closure above. I mean, damn. The only thing obviously that could change here is the fact NFP and unemployment. If the numbers are bad, you could just see a massive move back down on gold. So Joseph, if you're still in here, man, I would hope and pray that the unemployment and NFP news tonight is bad and gold just absolutely fucking pile drives to the fucking floor. That comes out 12:30 for me, midnight. So in a few hours. Three and a half hours. Have a look. This could be your savior, Joe. I called you Joseph again, my bad. This could be your savior. Yeah, I'm done for the day as well. Is the expected? Let's have a look. Forecast. Here we go. NFP unemployment forecast. So unemployment is forecasted to go up only by a percent, by a point percent, which could be. Oh no, that's fuck. That's Canadian. That's Canadian. My bad. US employment is forecasted to stay the same. NFP, so previous 353, forecast 200. What's this? Oh. Yeah, man. We'll just have to wait and see. Have to wait and see, man. What's the best website for that shit again? Is it... Wait. Yeah. Let's have a look. Where is it? March 8th. Let me just take off all this shite. And just tick United States. So yeah, NFP Feb. So previous was 333. Consensus. Okay. So next release here. Consensus is 200K. So they're expecting the numbers to come out at 200K for NFP. And it says a higher than expected figure should be seen as bullish for the USD, while a lower expected figure should be seen as negative. Okay, so the previous was 35k, right? Sorry, 353k. This one, the consensus is 200k, and here it says lower than expected figure should be seen as negative. So you might have a chance yet. You never know. You might have a chance yet, Joseph. Joe. God damn it. Yeah, he is Nimbus. I added him yesterday. He came to the stream. And I added him in yesterday. Oh man, these streams have actually been fun, man. I'm enjoying streaming again. I just need to be consistent with it. Yo, come on, Nimbus. I'm a bit more than a streamer, man. I barely stream. I've only just been streaming this week, actually. The last time I streamed was like months ago. Yeah, I know. I know. Oh, gold is pushing bullish. New 4-hour lows. Higher. High, low, high, high. High, low, potential high, high, right? Price could break above previous 4-hour highs right here. I'm actually impressed with my Wi-Fi in this house. Usually I use an Ethernet cable, just connect straight to the router. And obviously that's a much better connection and download speed and everything. I haven't used Wi-Fi connection in years, but this house, like, it doesn't have an Ethernet connection in this room, whereas all the old houses have. So I've just had to use Wi-Fi, even though it is 5G Wi-Fi, like it's still fast. But I mean, it's not dropping any frames on the stream. It seems pretty good. So I'm actually impressed with this Wi-Fi, man. Maybe I'm biased because we have similar strats, but yeah, I'd recommend you any day, man. The clearest strategy by far. Thank you, brother. Yo, Nimbus, you're in the academy, yeah? Yeah, I did some more stuff. I added some more stuff into the academy today. Some more videos on the strategy. Yeah, no stress. I'm just using you as a a conversation starter to showcase the academy. Why is it not loading? What the hell? What's going on here, brother? Oh, brother. Here we go. So I've added in this section here, gold day trading, right? So introduction, key time frames, trading windows, key level, support and resistance, 1 hour bullish entries, 1 hour bearish entries. And I'm going to be adding more as well into this. So we've got the gold day trading, gold scalping, we've got the indicator strategy. We've got some psychology and discipline. We've got some trading plan, volume, liquidity levels, and of course the beginner section. Beginner section. But yeah, this is the only section you need right here. I'm going to be adding more to this as well. I didn't get a chance to finish it all today. It's the dog's bollocks. This as well, it's really cool. They've added like you can add, like if I click new lesson right here, you can add a knowledge check and a quiz, right? So in here, like I'm doing little quizzes in between each video to make sure that you understand it, right? Which time frames do you use? Weekly, day, you know, blah blah blah. And then you've got knowledge check again, right? And you have to get 100% to you have to get 100% to move on. Otherwise, you're not allowed to move on, right? Which sessions do my trading windows fall under? Which 4-hour candles are my bias direction candles? Which 4-hour candles are my entry candles, right? So you got to make sure you're listening and watching the videos. Otherwise, you're not going to get 100% and you're not going to be able to move on. But this is what it would look like for you guys. A member. Introduction. Key time frames. This oh, it actually has the length right here. This is cool. How long each one takes. 43 minutes. Nah, bro, you got to answer it correctly. Do you guys know as well? You guys know I can see. Where is it? I can check. Here, look. Open analytics about your course. And I saw you in here today, Nimbus. Oh, what the fuck? I know who's completing it and who isn't. Why isn't it working? I was literally looking at this today. That's so annoying. But yeah, it shows what students are completing it and how much they've completed. So I'm watching you, Nimbus. I'm watching you, bro. I know if you're doing it or not. Do you guys think I should tick this? Lessons must be completed in order, so you'd have to go from lesson 1 and you have to do it in order? Or do you think I should just leave it so you can just go to whichever section you want and complete it? I'm trying to think what I would prefer. I think I prefer it just like this, where you can just go to any section and complete it. I want this to work. Why won't this work? That's so annoying. Application error. Client side exception has occurred. What? A client side? Maybe because I'm streaming or something. It's not going to let me view that information. What do you think? Nah, it's not working, man. It's not working, bro. This way is fine, yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Bum, bum. actually wanted to Nimbus, you know that guy who you gave me some advice for on Instagram? He didn't message back, man. Maybe he didn't like that advice, bro. I don't think he liked your advice, man, unfortunately. Look, he's seen it, bro. He left me unseen. No way he did that. No way he did that, bro. No way he just left me unseen like that. That's crazy. I'm trying to help him. Well, you're trying to help him. And he left me unseen. Wow. Since I do apply psychology to the market. Yeah, should I message him? Now what? Oh, I got a message request here. What would you like? Oh, these fucking... I get added to these groups all the time, man. It's so annoying. I don't know how to stop it. What did I want to do? I wanted to add a post. What is going on, guys? So I'm just making a quick video to show you what I'm working on here today. God, I'll do it later. Oh my god, I hate hearing my own voice like that shit. I always listen back on mute. That shit is not cool, man. So this is kind of fire. Should we give it a test? Let's give it a test. So, actually no, because what if people start taking trades? What if people... Yeah, I can't do that shit, man. I can't test it. What if someone... I'll delete it straight away. Now, there's people online, though. Ganesh is online. Ganesh, if you're watching this, do not take this trade, bro. Nah, I won't do it. I won't do it. That's fucked. The shit thing is I've got some members in the academy who are from America, and they just started, like, they joined the academy, they started learning the strategy, they started doing really well. It's actually Tony, right, who posts, he posts a lot in here. This guy right here, right? He just started to get to grips with the strategy. He was making profit. He was posting his profits all the time in here. He was doing really well. And then I think he was using a funded account or a broker that has now stopped accepting American clients with everything that's going on with MetaTrader. So now he's like, shit, like, what do I do? Like, he was saying to me that he couldn't find a funded prop firm or anything, or a broker that will accept US clients. So now he's kind of fucked. Like, he can't trade. He hasn't traded in a long time now because of that. It's kind of crazy, right? No, you know how you know. My Flash funding or Lark's funding, are they still accepting US clients? So what is it? My Flash funding. My Flash funding. Get capital in a flash. Get capital in a flash. They haven't imposed any notice on US bands. I could be wrong. Bro, there's so many fucking funded. My gosh. Let me have a look at this one now. Most popular, the 100K. Yeah, sure it is. So, okay, 2-step, 1-step. So it's just this. This is their only challenge, yeah? So that's cool. I like that. I like when they do this one. Just they just give you one. It's like, this is the evaluation. This is the plan. You get 1-step or 2-step, but it's all the same shit, right? Is that what it is? Maximum trading days 0, love it. Trading period unlimited, love it. Maximum daily loss 4%. Bro, I actually like this. What are their spreads like though? Do you know what their spreads are like, Nimbus? Yeah, let me send this to him real quick. Let's see. Yeah, because usually if they don't accept US clients, they'll say, right? It will be like a big disclaimer up here. Like most of the other ones have done that. Like it will just be a big banner up here, not accepting US clients. Maximum daily loss 4%. Maximum loss 8%. Okay, that's pretty good. Profit target 6%. Yeah, this is really good. This is good, man. They were good on MT5, but I don't know about their new platform, the X Trade. Yeah. Okay. Everyone's moving to the X Trade. When I was looking at that broker yesterday, I don't know if you were still in the chat, Nimbus, but what was it? The funded trader or something like that? Or yeah, I think it was one of those. Everyone was leaving reviews saying that it's fucked at the moment because they're transferring over to DX Trade and the servers are fucked and this is fucked and that. Like they just said, it's crazy. So that could be an issue, but what's this? $81. Wow. Blake Carter, meet Blake, our CEO. Having passed his first funded account back in 2020, he has garnered extensive knowledge of the inner workings of prop firms, encompassing the good, bad, and the ugly. So he passed his first funded account in 2020, and 4 years later, he has his own funding company. Jesus Christ. Feel free to check the views. I believe it's pretty clean, yeah. What people say. Yeah, let's have a look. Let's have a look at Trustpilot. Okay. Let's have a look at the 1 stars. Let's see what they're saying. Prop firm, not reactive, but correct prices. I discovered this prop firm recently. I saw that the prices were correct in addition to a promotion. So I took a 10K account. I was at negative 3.8 approximately, and the next day the drawdown had been reset so I could go to 9.2 total drawdown. I went down to 9-4 and my positions were closed and I received an email for hard breach. I sent 2 emails which remain unanswered until now. Prop firm, not serious. I put 2 stars. Wait. Oh, okay, so he didn't go to the 2. Okay, yeah. So he's saying he was 200 after 9-4, after 9-2, but his shit got closed anyway. That was probably that's probably leverage though. Everything seems fine with my flash funding until you reach some success. Then they will do whatever shady things they can do to breach you. In my case, they manipulate the daily drawdown on my dashboard to reflect one balance, and only after my trade was closed did they come back with a completely different balance and say I breached for 677, yes, 67 on 100k account after purchasing over 6 accounts in 1 month. Nice, right? As long as you're breaching accounts, they are nicest prop from out there. Once you hit even a phase 2, that's when the true comes out. Guess that's how they get good reviews. I'm sure they will come back with your daily DD was not full. 4% of your account due to blah blah blah. The fact is they purposely manipulate the info on your dashboard so that you set your stop loss according to that info, and then only after your trades are closed do they come back and advise you of the breach. I check on my dashboards after daily reset prior to setting my stop loss, and they can easily go back in the history and verify this, unless of course it's done purposely. Moral of the story is continue to watch your accounts and don't go by anything that is displayed on your dash as it's perfectly incorrect in attempts to breach you. Or my advice, just to go with another broker. I hope this helps other traders out there. This is the wrongest place to risk putting money. The wrongest place. Okay. Is that even a word? I still recall calling and messaging them every day for an explanation, but they kept saying rubbish. I took reporting and filing a claim against them using Eco Bank Security AIS to get my funds out. Shit. This guy is serious. 6% is a mistake as the leverage is low and it is difficult to reach the target. Make no mistake, the commission is also high, $7 per lot. I open an order with 10 lots, so I would have been negative at first $70. But that was not what happened. When I entered the jump to negative 260, later I did another entry and again it went to negative 200. Wasted money. I do not recommend this company. I'm very disappointed. Jesus, scam. I opened those price away myself last hit on wick. I can understand the split, but from where you guys have no trade, I've not set any in the order. You guys are trying to all the way back. Traders, that's fine. True. Low leverage, okay. I draw down. Oh, I'm not reading all that, man. Shit. Could work on your broken mission. Scam. Jesus. Do not give me money to these thieves. Very bad experience. Australia. Holly Joy. This is a chick. Very bad experience. I paid 200k cancel my discount. My bad. I've attempted into the deal, and my exchange finance had confirmed it has reached the address provided during checkout. My person insists they didn't receive the payment. Further into that, I checked further in Coinbase, and it showed that both is successful withdrawal and credit into my Flash Fund account, and yet they claim they didn't receive any of my funds since I made payment a day ago. Such a scam. I'm sure I used the correct network and now I requested a refund from Binance, but they're unable to since the fund had reached my Flash funding. Don't waste time. Jesus. They pay via deal, which is already available in Pakistan, but they do not allow traders from Pakistan to sign up for their program. Why Pakistan ban? Not available in Pakistan. Interesting. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna bookmark this one. This one looks pretty good. But let me just see some 5-star reviews. This is 100% a paid review. Paid review. Paid review. These are all fake reviews, man. Paid, fake. These are all fake reviews, man. Like, what even is this name? These are all fake reviews. Yeah. 100%. Pays extra for features, okay. All right, man, Nimbus, peace out. I'm gonna head off now as well. I'm getting tired. Yeah, Monday. That'll be Monday, bro, for sure. Monday. Who's trying to access my shit? Yeah, Monday, bro. I'm gonna be keeping up the streams, man. Consistency is key. Consistency. But yeah, there's not much we could really do today, right? We've already had the trade, and then of course there's NFP tonight. So you know, if you want to trade during NFP, you're just basically risking your account and giving the market money. So there's just not really any point. Not really any point trading. I'm not giving back profit. What have I streamed? An hour? I think that's good enough. It's gonna be hella hot here this weekend, man. Fire risk. We got fire risk now. We got fire risk alerts. Fire weather warning. Action your bushfire survival plan now. This is what it's like living in Australia. Look. 28 today, 37 tomorrow, 37 Sunday, 38 Monday. There's just no let up for 3 days, man. It's going to be crazy. And this is exactly where I live. What's this? I live right here. That's today, so it was 31 here today, where I am in Melton. Yeah, shit, man. Around the city, it's nice because it's close to the water, so you get nice wind. You get a nice breeze, but over here where I am, man, hot spot. Yeah, I'm out here, man. I'm up here, so we're literally, look at this. Today, 31, 37, 36, 36. So, yeah, there's gonna be fucking bushfires and shit, man. Severe weather warning, fire weather warning, extreme. Time to get the fucking shrimp out and the barbie, mate. Fuck, we need to like stock up on some cold shit, man. Ice creams, cold drinks. Or I'm gonna be fucked. Absolutely fucked. Have you seen the bushfires in Australia? It goes crazy, bro. But look at this shit. This is happening right now as well. So it's only gonna get worse. Just burns down houses and shit. Look at this poor cunt. It looks hot as fuck. This guy needs to fucking... This guy needs some fucking water, bro. Yeah, she definitely needs water. Look at that. Helicopters in, just pouring water on it and shit. Communities in Victoria are told to evacuate out as out of control fire burns. It's fucked, mate. That's all you gotta say. It's fucked, mate. It's fucking fucked, mate. Yeah, the UK would be the other way, bro. It'd be like a ice age, like a freeze fucking. You step outside and you just fucking instantly freeze. I remember a few years ago, I lived more in the city, and the fire, like all the smoke started to come through the city. And I lived in this apartment. It was on like the 18th floor, and it like had a sick view of the city. And when the fires were happening, it literally, I couldn't see like my hand in front of my face. That's how bad the smoke was from the fires. Like I literally could see nothing in front of me. Like not even this. Couldn't see the city, couldn't see nothing. Floods, yeah. I mean, we get floods here. We get bad floods here in the winter as well. You get fucking everything here, bro. Melbourne is fucked. You get extreme hot weathers, like fire warnings, like heat warnings. You get fucking storms. You get floods. You get like, cold. You get like, it gets in the winter, it gets freezing. Like it's just one extreme to the other all the time. Moving country. Yeah. It's fucking hot, man. Like the next couple of days are gonna be rough, man. Like the heat is just unbearable. Like you feel like you're just being suffocated at some points, man. Like you can't fucking breathe. It's that hot. And the sun literally just fries your skin. Like if you're standing there in the sun, you can literally feel it just fucking cooking you, bro. Literally cooking you. Everyone just stays indoors. Yeah, everyone just stays indoors. Yeah, we got aircon. Every house pretty much in Australia has aircon, bro. It's like we have them in every room as well. The vents, it's like a vented aircon, and yeah, there's a vent in every single room in the house, man, and you just blast it all day. And everyone on days like that, everyone just stays inside. People don't work. There's like outdoor workers, like people like construction workers and shit like that. They have to have the day off because of the heat. It's insane, man. But I guarantee you, all the English people over here, they'll be at the beach tomorrow. The fucking English love it, bro. Well, you would know from like going on holiday in Europe, man. The British are fucking hilarious on holiday. In the winter here, bro. In the winter here, because I'm acclimatized to it now, I'll be freezing. I'll be in like a jumper, a fucking scarf, a hat, gloves, like fucking freezing. And there'll be English people on holiday in their fucking shorts and t-shirt, bro, at the beach swimming. No shit, bro. No fucking shit. It's fucking hilarious. Yeah, they do, man. They love it. They fucking love it, bro. Everyone from Melbourne, Australia, they're all in their coats and shit, hats, freezing. The English are there, man. Fucking shorts, no t-shirt, fucking loving it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you should do it, bro. Australia's amazing, man. Australia, New Zealand. Yeah, beautiful countries, man. The scenery is just unreal. Beautiful wildlife as well. Snakes and spiders and fucking kangaroos. But Melbourne's a beautiful city. I love living here, man. This shit is fucked. This shit, you go up it and it has like a glass box that you stand in, and it just like it goes out. So like the building's here, it's got a glass box, and boom. Bro, I seen a snake outside my house the other day, like fucking huge one, bro. It was huge, and it was a brown snake as well. Google eastern brown snake. It is extremely venomous snake. It's one of the most venomous snakes in the world, if not the most venomous snake in the world. And this was just slithering outside my house, bro. It's considered the world's second most venomous land snake. The world's second most fucking venomous land snake, just fucking slithering outside my house. And it went into the next door neighbor's fucking garden, bro. I knocked on his door and I was like, yo, the fucking snake just went in your garden. And he was like, oh, I don't know what the fuck he did. Yeah. So, I mean, you know, I've been here 8 years or so, and that's the first snake I've seen. Like, I speak to Australians that have lived here all their life for like fucking 35, 40 years, and they've never seen one. They can bite you, bro. If they bite you, they've got venom in their bite, and it's like, it's bad. Oh, you mean what can they even do? Like the people who's got the snake in their garden, yeah. Like they have like snake catchers and shit here, so you just phone up the council, and they'll come round and like fucking get it and go and let it free back into the wild again. But that's like people, that's people's jobs. Like people have companies, like snake catching companies. But yeah, like that's the first one I've ever seen here, and it's been like 8 years since I've been here, so. Fucking Steve Irwin shows up at your door, mate. Where's this bloody snake? Oh, yeah, man, market's dead right now. Absolutely dead. But yeah, I reckon you could get a nice move down here, right? I reckon you could get a nice move down here on gold and get out of this trade potentially, or get close to it at least when this news comes out. So make sure you're watching your trade, your chart when this news comes out, and I reckon you'll be able to get out like and with a bit less of a loss. But yeah, I'm gonna dip. I'm out here. I got my trade for today. I'm happy with that. The account is up 22k. Nice finish to the week. But yeah, I'm out, man. I'll be live again on Monday, and we'll do it all over again. We'll see what it's like. Next week, there is inflation. When is this? What day is it? It's not till Tuesday. But this is more major news as well. Bro, you think Academy will help, or should I wait? Let me just see something. We're playing basketball. All right, Joseph. For you, my brother, here. I just put it in the chat. Use that code. All right, go to store page. What's up, Naveen? Yeah, it's been a while, Naveen. Go to Academy, Joe. Get access. And put in your code right here, right? I'll do it ASAP before someone steals it. Yeah, Naveen, it's been a while, man. I'm back to streaming again. Does copies trades to all our accounts? You can get programs to do that. Naveen, like I was showing somebody earlier, you can just type in Discord to MT5 copier, right, or MT4 copier, and you can set up one of these programs, right? Set up one of these things to copy my them, right? So you can set it up to do it, but it doesn't automatically do it from mine, right? But it will be here, trade copier. So this was the one from today. This was the buy we had. You can see the profits below me. So yeah, it came up signal type buy on XAUUSD. Man, I'm getting tired. I can't speak. Lot size 5, right? Take profit, stop loss, and then you can see that it got hit. But yeah, you can set it up to copy this from in here, but I'm not sure how. You'd have to figure that out. go. It shows up that I'm streaming here. Live on YouTube. How the fuck does it... How does it know that? To access the Discord, there is 2 options. Right. There is the Academy, right, which is a one-off payment, 200. So that gives you lifetime access to the Discord, the VIP, the TradingView indicator, and also the course, right? Which is where you're gonna learn how to trade exactly like me. And then there is the Trade Copier and VIP Telegram, which is a monthly subscription, which will give you access to the Discord and the VIP Telegram as well, which is where I post all my daily analysis, trade ideas, and entries, right? So there's 2 options, man. Hey, Joseph, join the Academy. Let's go. It's kind of come up down here. New member. Look at this, Joseph. Now I have all your information. The fuck? Who's calling me, bro? Don't put your information like that. Does copier suitable for small account? Yeah, it's suitable for anybody, bro. You just have to make sure you're there when I'm taking the trades, which will always be pre-learning session. It will always be pre-learning session to New York session. So as long as you're awake during those times and active and watching the Discord. But Naveen, also you will have all the analysis in here, right? This video I posted today. This was all the trade ideas, right? So I literally gave the trade in this video today. So if I have a look, so I give all the trades in the VIP Telegram as well, right? So you have all the analysis right here and the entries. So you can see that I was talking about this entry, and this was the exact entry right below. As you can see right here, you can see it says 2165315. You can see on this trade below here, it says 216532, right? So I give all the entries and setups in the VIP Telegram in the daily analysis and update. And then you'll be able to see me actually executing on that analysis and those trade ideas in the Discord, in the trade copier, right? So you'll know already, you'll have from the Telegram, you'll have the levels drawn up on your chart, all the levels that I showed you in the Telegram, right? You'll put them all onto your own chart. If you actually join the Academy, you will learn this strategy on how to enter. So you'll have the levels, you'll know the strategy, right, and on how to enter, and then you'll see that I'm taking the trade also in the Discord, in the trade copier section. So you'll be able to follow along, right? It's not like you're just taking signals. You will be able to follow along with the analysis, the trade ideas, the setups, the levels, and then you'll also be able to see me when I enter the trade, right? So when I'm entering on my own analysis and my own setups, you'll be able to see that in here, and you can decide as well if you want to take that trade, right? It's completely up to you, but that's what it is. I need to see my Discord, yeah. But yeah, Joe, just, you know, take the time, go over go over everything. There's a lot to go through in the core section, and the main section that you want to go over is, I would say, this one, right? Do the beginners, because I know you haven't, I know you're still new, kind of newish to trading, so you can do these. And then this one right here is going to give you everything you need. Gold day trading. Then we've got some indicator strategies. We've got, this is more for GJ though. We've got some psychology and discipline. You know, just a few little things. Building a trading plan, which is all, it's all going to help you. So, and I'll still update this with new content. And everything every day, well, not every day, but you know, every couple of days, or at least every week, I'll be adding something into the academy. Like today, I added all of this gold day trading section, and yeah, it gets updated all the time. So go for it, bro. Oh yeah. On that note, man, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go get some sleep. I would highly recommend not trading gold anymore today until news, until NFP. Stay away from the charts. Be disciplined. Protect your capital. Right, that's the most important thing in trading, is protecting your capital. And yeah, I mean, I'll see you guys on Monday for sure. I'll be here if I survive the heat over the weekend. That's if I survive the heat, man. It's gonna be rough. Pray for me. Pray for your boy. I'm gonna come on the camera on Monday crisp. All right, man. Peace out, guys. Have a good weekend. And yeah, I'll see you in the Discord probably, Joe, if you have any questions. But yeah, peace out, man.